Oh, it's a sad thing. It's all over. Back to reality after this.
Can you give me your testimony of what happened?
What do you mean what happened? Like over the weekend?
Trust the system.
Trust the system.
Sells enough gas and...
That guy was tiny with a newspaper boy hat on. Fucking electrolyte in case I get a little too fucking hangover-y.
Electrolyte. What is going on, guys? Mark here. And yes, we are back with a new vlog. And before I even describe what this vlog is about, why don't you take a look at this beautiful house we're hanging out this weekend. We drove 3 hours to get to New Paltz because we are celebrating my buddy Joe's belated birthday, and we are at some beautiful Airbnb log cabin that we rented. I hyped up the beginning for no reason. We really don't have any specific plans for this weekend. We're just gonna try and have fun, probably drink a little bit, enjoy ourselves, and enjoy the birthday of our man Joe. I think at the very most we have a hike planned. I would like to scale a mountain this weekend, but we'll see how it goes. So stick around and enjoy the vlog.
Alright.
People are yelling for me. Oh, we're stampeding?
I get goosebumps every time.
Oh, that type of lens? Like direct?
Wow, you had one moment, one opportunity.
I don't know if you guys have ever been. If you get a chance to go to a show there in the summer, and it's gonna be good one.
All right, good morning, everyone. It is Saturday morning, about 9:45. I was up at 8 o'clock alone for about 2 hours, up until now. I was actually flying the drone this morning, taking advantage of the quiet opportunity and the good light. It was actually drizzling outside, but I got the drone up anyway, and I really was excited to get some footage regardless of it being a little wet outside. So take a look at this footage. I'm actually walking down to the stream right now. Everyone is still sleeping right now, so I thought I'd, take advantage of the morning and have some coffee, enjoy myself while I'm here. But it's actually kind of marshy down here. Pretty nice house. Very nice house. Just heading down to the water. Trying to get some B-roll actually, so I can make a little more montage footage. Pretty nice, right? Pretty nice. Yep. You look so far away. You look so far away. It isn't that shallow.
Jesus, it's a hill.
I flew the drone.
Oh, you did?
This morning, yeah. When I bring it back, it'd be soaked. But I flew it.
Transition effect, you know? Is it one of those like the ones that have the hood and everything?
No, but it's a bed. Really, a donut? Is it in 60 at least?
Nope.
24, cinematic look.
I'm sweating again.
You gotta chew it for me and then spit it in my mouth.
Ooh, I can do that.
Huh? Like a baby bird? Yes, you gotta baby bird me.
See this man right here?
Man, you can't get a fucking thing open. And this is...
You know how to use
This is the man we're celebrating.
You know how to use a knife, but apparently I can't open it that way.
This man.
Not anymore.
Jeez.
Let me see, babe. Let me see.
Oh. How about that?
Happy birthday!
Oh, thank you, babe.
I was like, we were both like, we're going. We're going. You know? We're going.
So everyone, I think, is pretty much awake except for one person, but we're all enjoying our breakfast made by Emily, Joe's girlfriend, which was very nice of her. I'll keep you in the loop. I'm not sure what we're going to do today. I'm hoping for a hike, but we might go walk around town. We shall see.
Yeah, I'm a manual.
Manual focus?
Manual, yeah.
You're not even using the focus ring. How are you?
You are recording.
What do you mean? This is the focus ring right here.
You were.
I told you.
Huh? You can
Now if I got 7 feet off the motorcycle, I would be safe. You are recording though?
No. I'm just fucking around with that. I just want to see.
He is recording.
No.
This guy's a dick.
Yeah, I feel it. It's a coming on that lullaby. And I feel encroaching on your personal space. To smell her. Will you smell alone? This is so crazy. Use cameras like this all the time.
Away the dogs will find her.
It'll hasten by the way
for tomorrow. Wait, dogs will find her. Got time.
Wait for tomorrow.
What's the name of the place? Lake Minnewaska? Yeah, so we decided to go to Lake Minnewaska. Lake Minnewaska. We're gonna go do a mild hike, as per Victor. I wanted to scramble. We have indeed made it to Lake Minnewaska.
Why you guys park so far?
Ready?
So we just started the, whatever the name of the lake trail is. Keep you updated on and off with video clips.
I'd fall.
You got this, man.
The tiny one.
Yeah.
Vinny's first rock scramble.
I'm a big scrambler.
Yeah, an egg scrambler. Not a rock scrambler.
Probably almost dead, but I'm not gonna follow them. I don't know where they're going. I'm not leaving this spot.
Yeah, I saw you flying it. I could have done that traverse, but I think
I'm gonna change the battery in that. All right, everyone, we made it to the waterfall. I actually tried to fly the drone and it started to rain and I just got really nervous, so I brought it down. But we got a few clips and some photos I'll share probably. But I think the group is moving on, so it's time to move on. All right, so it turns out we were on the longest trail, so we are retracing our steps. And it seems to be faster to turn back than to keep going. So we're gonna leave. I think we're gonna go get some food. We are all hungry and hungover, and it's raining. So catch you on the next clip.
Yeah, 300 feet elevation.
Oh, 300 feet or already that
You were at 1376, at 1696, that's like 320.
Probably just did 100 down and 100 back up.
Well, that's what I'm
Not that
saying.
bad.
I feel like if we just carried the uphill momentum we were just on, we'll be uphill, and then the way back down is downhill. It'll be a breeze anyway, you know. We're already here.
All right, everybody. Just woke up from a nap, and not just me, everybody napped because we were all tired from the hike. But now we are about to go out to eat some dinner.
Do you have room in your car for 2 more people?
Yeah.
Okay, well, Austin and Ryan want to carpool with you guys. I don't know if you left yet, though.
No, I didn't leave yet. Unlike, you know, somebody.
And then just be like a racist fuck.
Anybody fucks around and find out. Look at this.
I ain't gonna get it. All right, everybody, we are leaving. I forgot to update anyone last night because of drunkenness. So yeah, I'm gonna assume everyone had a good time. Some people have left. We have about an hour to get out of here and then we have to check out. But it was a great weekend. New Paltz was pretty okay. But we went on some nice hikes, we had some nice laughs. So the shitty thing is that all weekend it was raining, and now of course the hour that we're going to probably leave, not probably, we are leaving, it is very sunny. But nonetheless, we had this big nice log cabin behind us to shelter us from the rain. It's very imperative. I did not get any footage last night, like I said, because it just got rowdy really fast and we just were having a good time, let's just say that. It's like that birthday guy or something. It's the guy's birthday or something.
Oh, it's a sad thing. It's all over. Back to reality after this.
Can you give me your testimony of what happened?
What do you mean what happened? Like over the weekend?
Sure.
I got too drunk. I got really giggly. I won a foot race. Then I had stomach problems for 24 hours, so. Fantastic time. Oh, we went on a hike and got really wet. Did that too. That was fun.
You hear that, everybody? We got wet.
Gotta keep the hair out of my face.
The apogee hat.
Yeah, it's still around.
So how'd this get wet?
I don't know. But anyway, guys, thank you for watching this brief yet fun vlog of New Paltz, New York. Don't mind my shower hair, but we'll catch you on the next one.